Welcome to MBBSCouncil. If you are participating in Karnataka State Counselling, this video will help you to find your NEET 2021 Karnataka State rank and State Communal category rank. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. You can get Karnataka State rank and reservation category rank from MBBSCouncil website by entering your NEET roll number and All India rank. You can find the link in the description below. Enter your All India rank and NEET roll number. Checkmark I am not robot and click Find Rank. You will get your reservation category, state rank, local state rank and community rank. If you are applying under Karnataka domicile, then use local state rank for general merit and general private merit seats. For other reservation, use the category rank. If you apply from other states under open management quota, then use state rank for predicting your medical college. You can find closing state rank, category rank for all Karnataka Medical Colleges on MBBSCouncil app. Dr. Ambedkar Medical College cutoff screen is shown here. SR denotes state closing rank and CR denotes category closing rank. During last year first round Karnataka counselling, Ambedkar Medical College closed at community rank 361 for 2 AG category. For second round, it closed at 435. Candidate with 2 AG category rank 435 have chance to get Dr. Ambedkar Medical College. Check all other medical colleges to find the list of colleges which have closing rank higher than your category rank. If you are on premium subscription, you can use College Predictor facility available in MBBSCouncil app to get the list of medical colleges you have chance to get by selecting state quota and by entering your community rank. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you need any help, contact your counselor. See you in the next video.